Hi guys, so this is Data Gyan and I'll be covering one topic of SQL in this playlist, and this playlist will be the beginner level SQL, and this playlist will keep on going, and I'll add some advanced concepts such as pivot and other use cases that has been used in some major companies like Accenture, Tech Mahindra, and the questions will go up to the Uber and Amazon. So Man company's question will also be covered. So today's question will be finding the nth highest salary or nth lowest salary. So this use case is quite widely used, and it is a famous question in the interviews. So we'll be going through this, and I'll tell you two approaches to solve the solution. Okay, and you can follow the same with me. So first we'll create a table on which we are going to operate. So I basically use the programmis.com SQL online compiler. It's a good one. You can follow the same. So first we are creating a table, and table's name is SQL1. So if I run this, a table has been created. You can see over here that SQL table is created. So we'll remove this, and now we will create few of the entries on which we are going to operate. So for better understanding, I am doing it side by side. So you can pause the video and you can also follow the same. So if we run this, a successful message comes that table has been created. Okay, so we'll remove this. Now coming back, so what is the first approach that we are going to follow? So first approach will be order by with limit. So most of you might be knowing this, but I'll tell you from the scratch itself for those who don't know. So if you are using order by, so you can do order by on the basis of ascending ASC or descending DESC. So ascending is basically a default. If you don't mention anything, it will keep it as ascending. But if you want in descending order, then you have to mention that. So now coming to this, so let's do the approach one. So I have curated the query. So I'll explain you. So what we are doing is we are selecting ID, name, and salary from table SQL1 that we created, and we are ordering it on the basis of salary. So the requirement is finding the nth highest salary. So we are giving descending. If the requirement is just to find the, if you are just looking for the lowest salary or in order of ascending order, then you can just not give this and it will behave the same. So you can see the output is coming as 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. So if I remove this, it will go in the ascending order, 1,000, 2,000. So our use case says, let's find the nth highest salary. So let's go for the highest one. So we'll give DESC. It is coming like this, but this is giving in a simple order. I want the salary to be coming when the order is decided as descending, and I want the second highest salary. So what you can do for that? Basically, limit is a parameter that you can use with order by, and it can help you to find the exact value that you are looking for. So how the limit works? So limit basically is like your index start from 0 and it goes up to n. So if you want to set a limit, so we are going to find the second highest. So 0 will be the first and 1 will be the second. So we set 1, and how many we want? We want only 1. So we'll set as limit 1, 1. Okay. So let's go and do this. Let's see whether we get the desired output or not. So if we select this, we'll remove this query and we'll put this. So as you can see, the output is coming as 2,000. That is the second highest salary in the table. So I have captured that. So you can see this. Okay. Now we will be going with a advanced concept, the window function. So what we are going to do is like, we are using the same table itself. Okay. We are using the SQL1 table itself. So let's first try to use a window function in this. I'll explain you how to do that. So here what we are doing, you have to focus over here so that I can teach you this very well. You can pause the video, you can practice it side by side. So what we are doing, we are selecting the ID, name, and salary. This is the same schema that we have designed in our table. And this is a window function, row number. Okay, I'll be showing you specifically how to use a row number in complex questions, but this is the approach that I thought I can teach you and you can use it very well. So row number, it's a kind of a syntax that you have to follow. So row number, parenthesis open and close, over is the keyword, and we are ordering it on the basis of salary. Okay, and we want the highest, so we are given descending. So what does row number do is like, it will basically create a ranking system. So what it will do, in the table you have seen that we have given, in the table we have given 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we have given corresponding salaries and name corresponding to it. So if we are doing the row number on descending order, what it will do, it will descend the salary. So 3000 will come first, 2000 will come second, and 1000 will come third, and it will give row number to it. So 3000, because it is in descending order, it will take 1, it will take 2000 as 2, it will take 1000 as 1. Sorry, apologies, it will be 3. So let's do this. So here you can see 3000 is getting 1, 2000 getting 2, and 1000 is getting 3. So this doesn't solve our scenario. So what we can do, we have given as a aliasing. Aliasing is basically what you give as a column name. So instead of keeping this whole as a column, we have given it as a name as rank. Okay, so we are just making a subquery out of it. So we will give select ID, name, and salary from our inner query. This is known as a subselect. Okay, this will be a very helpful when I'll be uploading some complex questions. So try and understand the concept of subselect. So what it is doing, it is selecting these ID, name, and salary from your inner query. Okay, and we will have to give it some name. So I prefer giving it as a temp name, temp where rank. So rank was your alias for this row number. Okay, so I'm giving rank is equal to 2. So let's see if the output comes the same. So you can see it's still showing the same output that I have captured over here, right? So if I showed you how to bring the rank and how to exclude it in your final output. So this is the full approach that you can use, and you can use this programmist.com online compiler. I use it basically for all my compilations, and I'll be using this only for teaching you all the other concepts. So thank you for trying to learn with me. And if you liked my approach of teaching, please subscribe and like, so that I can get motivated and teach you some advanced concepts. So as I have promised, I'll cover the SQL from basic to the advanced level, and I will focus on the use cases. I'll focus on the use cases that are being used in the industry right now, as I'm a data engineer and working for 4 years in this field, and I've been using SQL. So I am pretty much familiar with the concepts. So I'll be teaching you, so that if you are going for your interview, you will not feel like any new question was given to you. Okay. So thank you for watching. See you soon.